Once upon a time there was a tiny cute cat named Chotu. One day Chotu found a colorful magic hat lying on the ground. She picked it up and placed it on her head. Suddenly, poof, a bright rainbow popped out of the hat, and a little sparkly bug